We're here at Collegetown Court to take a look at studio apartment 302. Let's go on in. We're on the third floor of this 5-floor building here at 208 Dryden Road. We'll enter through the kitchen. We pass by the refrigerator. There's the microwave and the sink. You can see the stove and oven, and there are assorted cabinets and drawers here as well. Here in this kitchen area across from us is the closet for the apartment. Let's take a look at that right now. This one is the largest closet that we have in the studios here in Collegetown Court. So you can see it's a little wider than the other ones that you may have seen in the other models of apartment. This number 2 style apartment is available on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 here in Collegetown Court. We're on floor 3 right here. We are facing to the east. Let's take a look at the bathroom and then we'll come back and see the rest of the room again. This is, I think, the larger bathroom that we've seen here in the Court Studios. This style is available in the number 10 and 2 style apartment. 10 is directly across the hall from us and faces to the west. We're in a number 2 style apartment. We face to the east. You can see we've got that shower with the tub and the sliding door, the toilet, the sink, and there's a cabinet on the wall over on the right. Let's go back into the room. So we've got some nice space here. You can see there's definitely plenty of floor space depending on how you arrange your furnishings. We've got the bed over here. That's a full-size bed. There's a desk and chair, the dresser, the bookshelf, and dining table and chair. Of course, you can move furnishings around however you like. So again, the number 2 style is the same as the number 10 style, which is across the hall, but they're just opposite on the opposite sides of the hallway. Number 10 faces to the west, but it's the same layout or model. This is the air conditioner. You can see that in the window, and we are facing to the east. So we've got some nice windows here, and this is an east view. Of course, in central Collegetown, you'll always see other houses and buildings nearby, and you can see right across the street from us, that's the edge of the Brazano Family Center. That's a university building for the business school, and you can tell we're in a prominent location here in central Collegetown. Collegetown Court, 208 Dryden Road. We're just a few steps up from that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road in central Collegetown, where we are just 1 block from campus at this 5-story elevator building called Collegetown Court.